tell me a little bit about yourself then, and I guess we'll go from there. Like, why have you booked the call? What's made you want to book the call today?
Yeah, so basically, I work for the Home Office.
Hmm.
So I've been looking at rent to rent,
Hmm.
especially HMOs for the longest time now. I think it's been about a year, but
Yeah.
taken no real action. I
Yeah.
secured something through a very close friend of mine. I got my first property secured in August this year, last
Yeah.
year.
Awesome.
And so I've been managing it, and it's been quite good. But
Hmm.
I lack a proper formal education around property.
Hmm.
And so I've been ringing around, asking. So the aim is to try and break free from my 9 to 5.
Okay.
But there's so many other things that I want to use property. I think for longevity, it's
Hmm.
probably one of the best business models.
For sure.
HMOs are.
Yeah.
So a nice steady income, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And so basically, I've been wanting to break free for a while now.
Hmm.
But ultimately, I just want to run a business on my
Yeah.
own terms, you know?
Yeah.
Um, so there's ultimately I secured one last year in August,
Yeah.
and I've been running and managing it. It's tenanted,
Yeah. Is that on a
long
management
term.
basis or is it like a rent to rent basis or?
No, so basically the rent to rent deal is with one of my close friends,
Okay.
but I manage it for him, so I'm under
Okay.
contract for him.
Okay.
But what I want to do is start making calls to landlords myself.
Got you.
Um, and I tried a bit, and you get a hundred rejections. But
Mm.
my thing was that I don't have a mentor, I
Hmm.
don't have a network. You can't make it in this game without a network.
It's difficult.
Um, it's very difficult. It's very
Yeah.
difficult. So I did try making a few phone calls, and I got a few viewings.
Hmm.
But the numbers didn't check through on some occasions, Luke.
Hmm.
And then on other occasions, they say, "Well, can you send us your website and stuff?" And they look at the website and they're like, "Well, uh, I don't hear from them."
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah, basically in this game, I mean, I've been jumping on master classes. I've been looking at
Hmm.
properties everywhere,
Hmm.
and a lot of the consensus is that actually you're nobody in the game if you don't have any network, and why should a landlord trust you? You know.
Yeah.
So that's been my story. So I've been phoning around. I had a few phone calls last year, well, December,
Hmm.
and I didn't quite like the program. A couple of
Hmm.
them lacked credibility, and I
Hmm.
didn't want to pay that money to them if they lacked credibility. So I
Sure.
found your, honestly, by chance, I found your profile. By chance, and I thought, okay, this looks ridiculously credible. I need to book the call, have a word with Luke, and let's see where we go from there.
Yeah. Okay. Brilliant. I mean, fair bit to digest in there, but it sounds like you've definitely put the feelers out with rent to rent. You've give it a little bit of a try. You're managing it for
I
someone
have,
else, which is great.
yeah, yeah, I have,
So I think with the issue with people now, when I first started 7 years ago, it was you would have to educate the estate agents and the landlords on the service itself, like how it works, what you're going to be doing,
yeah,
almost like convince them almost. That isn't the issue as
yeah,
much anymore now. I feel like it's a lot
yeah,
busier now, a lot more people are doing it. Um, and I think the issue now is, like you said, standing out from the rest,
yeah,
being a bit more credible, and using, I guess, the techniques of someone who's doing it day in, day out, that would definitely help you. Um,
yeah.
and it seems like you want to replace your income, is what you've basically said there. You've had enough of working in what you're doing now. You want to build a business. You're at that stage.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, don't get me wrong. I enjoy my job. I work for the Home Office, civil service,
Yeah,
and we're tackling a lot of crime and stuff. So it's
yeah,
very rewarding in that sense. But
yeah.
it doesn't make me nearly as much as I want to. You
Of
know,
course.
I get. I'll be really honest with you, Luke. I'll be transparent with you. I think about 400 profit from one property that I'm managing,
Hmm.
but I feel like I can be making a lot more.
Yeah,
Um,
sure.
from one property, I could potentially just replace my income off three good properties, you know?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So, I mean, I want to I don't want to fall behind, if that makes sense. I see a
Got
lot
you.
of people who are just taking the hit, and I
Yeah,
just think to myself, well, I can replace this, no problem. If I really persevere, if I'm persistent enough,
yeah,
I can get somewhere with this. So
yeah.
I believe in the model truly. I believe in a rental HMO service
Hmm.
accommodation, maybe at this stage, not so much. But yeah, 100% you're right. You're
Yeah,
right
I mean,
about
it's good that you're at this stage, just hearing you talk, because you need to kind of be at this point. Like, we only really like to work with people that are at the stage you're at now, where they're like,
yeah.
okay, I really want to build this business. We don't really take on people that want to sort of dabble in it and see how it goes. It kind of seems like you're past that stage now.
What absolutely 100%. I need to be at a stage where I've been doing it for 6 months, but since August, I think it works out to be around 6 months, and
Hmm.
I feel like I could take on a lot more.
Yeah.
I need to take on one more project, and then
Yeah.
that will lead to something. And I saw your post recently that actually the profit that you use from one HMO, you
Yeah.
can use that profit to invest in another property and then
Yeah.
another one.
Yeah.
And I know I completely accept it's a long game,
Hmm.
but I fully believe in it. I can't back out now. I've put too much time and effort in, and I don't want to back out now. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's the truth of it. If I'm being brutally honest,
No, listen, that's why
I
we're on the that's
yeah,
why the purpose of the call set up so we can have that honest
yeah,
conversation with each other and make sure we're at the right sort of fit for each other, you know. It's just as much
for
as
sure.
you need to qualify me, I need to qualify you, make sure I'm the right fit for
Yeah,
you as well, you know, and likewise.
absolutely,
Um,
absolutely.
what do you think stopping you from getting there? I mean, I know you mentioned obviously having a mentor, but what do you think? Is it time or is it literally having someone there who can help you through the process and
So I can make the time.
yeah,
But I do need the accountability factor. I
yeah,
feel like my best work comes when I'm being held accountable.
yeah, of course.
Whether that's in my weight loss journey, whether that's at my home office job,
Hmm.
I feel like if I don't have accountability, then I can pretty much suck at what I do.
We're
I
all
need
like
to be.
that.
Yeah. Accountability is key. And so I've been searching for a mentor, and I spoke to an individual who's a
Hmm.
mentor. I'm not going to mention any names,
No, no.
but because I'm sure you must have come across, but relatively new to the game,
Hmm.
especially in terms of coaching.
Hmm.
And it was a 6 month program,
Hmm.
and that entailed a whole host of things. I spoke to another mentor recently, but I just need at least a decent amount of time. I know one individual offered a lifetime access.
Okay.
They said we're always going to be here,
Yeah.
so you don't even worry, even after the mentoring program.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for a mentoring program, right?
Hmm.
And I'm looking for a network that comes along with that. I'm
Hmm.
looking to be present on the ground, and who knows how far it takes me.
Yeah, of course.
I just want to go as far as and as deep into it as possible.
Yeah.
I'm really committed, is what I'm saying. So I'm looking for a mentor. Your credibility is off the charts. I've been watching your stuff and I've been paying. I just need a mentor who's gonna kick my ass at every stage. If I'm honest with you, Luke,
Yeah.
that's what I need. I think
Yeah.
more than anything.
No, brilliant. And do you think you have, could you, you know, you said can make the time. Do you feel like you could make sort of 2 hours a day, roughly, at some
I can
point?
make
Whether,
more, but
yeah.
I can make more. I can make
Okay.
more. Sorry to cut you out there. I can
No, no,
make
it's
more. The
fine.
thing is, I'm really madly passionate about it, and I feel like I'm really hungry for it, but I'm holding myself back for some
Yeah.
reason because I
Yeah.
haven't found. Well, I say some reason I haven't found the mentorship. I haven't,
Yeah.
and that's
Yeah.
the bottom line.
Got
If
you.
I have a good mentorship, I'd probably be up there. I think,
Yeah.
but I
No,
don't have mentorship.
I can sense that. I mean, like the fact that you've already been managing and you've already, you know, you can see the model works, right? So you have that belief in it. Often with
It
us, we
works.
have to the first month or so is getting our mentees to actually believe that it can work because they hear all this
Yeah,
rubbish online. They haven't really gone into the field themselves and got a feel for it themselves at that point. So they're still at the
yeah.
stage where they're still very, you know, new to it and they're not quite sure if it can work. But you seem to be at the stage where you've had money coming in from management. You can see that it's a profitable business, a model. You like it, you have a passion for it, and that's the type of person that we're definitely looking for, you know.
100%, 100%, Luke. Thanks for that. I really appreciate that, man. You know what it is? I was on the ground running viewings.
Hmm.
I was on the ground doing refurbishments and
Hmm.
furnishing the room and getting in the
Hmm.
beds and getting in all that kind of stuff. So
Hmm.
I got to be at the property later on because there's a couple of issues. So
Yeah.
for me, it's very enjoyable. It's in Coventry, the property is.
Yep.
And I'm based in Birmingham, so it's very
Okay.
enjoyable.
Yeah.
Dealing with tenants and getting a new one, and it's quite exciting, right? Meeting
Yes.
new people in the process.
Yes.
So it is quite exciting. I do love it, and then when I manage to secure something, I feel very accomplished.
Of course.
Um, and when that money comes in, it's. I mean, let's be honest, it's all about the money, really.
Yeah.
It's
No.
all about when that
Definitely.
money comes in. It feels good, man.
It
Like
feels fantastic.
so, yeah, it does. So, yeah, I mean, I've got the experience, but I can a little bit of experience, but I need a lot more, buddy.
Of
And I
course.
can honestly assess myself and tell you, I'm not even half ready. I need mentorship to
Yeah.
really just to oil the
Fast
engine a little bit.
forward. Yeah.
Yeah, fast forward.
Of course.
Without it, I don't think I'll make it in this game. Without mentorship and a network, I ain't
Well,
getting anywhere.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
it's very self-aware that you've analyzed it like that and you can see it like that. Like I said earlier, like maybe 7 years ago, you could get away with maybe like I didn't originally have a mentor. I was on YouTube, podcast, things like that. But I just think the game's changed now. There's a lot more people doing it now. Landlords are far more aware. So to stand out from the competition, you have to be doing the subtle differences that the people at the top are doing to really get yourself going,
100%.
you know?
100%. It's tricky, and a lot of people. I mean, it's just it is a little daunting that there's so many people now.
Yeah.
Different things. I mean, I've had so many people reach out to me. Hey, are you looking for mentorship? And people who have got 7,000, 6,000 followers who are new to coaching themselves
Yeah.
are looking to secure. But I mean, fair play to them. They got a headhunt. They're new to the game as well, so they're
Yeah.
persevering.
Yeah.
But the game is packed with it now.
Yeah.
But I don't want to. I don't want to let. I just try and look for how I can be different, and I do have a couple of ideas in mind, but that's for later
Yeah.
on in the
Yeah.
future. But
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
now, I just need education for sure.
Okay, brilliant. Well, it's been great having a chat with you, Anif.
You too, man. You too, my man. Take it easy and best of luck for the rest of the day as well with the rest of your
Yes.
calls, man.
Yes. Enjoy the weekend. Hopefully I'll hear from you soon, yeah?
Take it easy, my brother.
Take care, mate.